Have you ever wanted to set up your own Pinterest account? Maybe you're thinking about it, maybe you need one for your business, everyone's telling you you need to do Pinterest, you need to be on Pinterest, but you're like, oh my gosh, I don't even know where to start. Well, in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to set up your Pinterest account, starting with signing up. So the first thing you need to do is make sure that you have a good working email address that you have the password to so that you can set up your Pinterest account. So you'll just go to pinterest.com and it will prompt you to sign up. Once you've filled out all of your details, it's going to start to give you a name and you can customize your name. It will just pull it out of your email address. So I'm gonna customize mine to We Love Tamales because that is my website. And then you're just going to pick your language, your country, etc. It can kind of pick this stuff for you based on your location settings, etc. on your computer. So you can pick these things that you are interested in. So I'm gonna be food, quotes, humor. Now, once you picked your 5 interests, go ahead and click the done button, and then it's gonna tell you to get a handy browser button. I already have this, but if you don't, click get it now, and it's gonna ask to add the extension. I'm in Chrome, it will ask to add it there. If you are in Safari or another browser, it might ask you for that particular browser. And it's gonna start serving you up content based on the interests that you said you have. So we wanna go over and start setting up our profiles. I am gonna use this for business, so I'm gonna go ahead and click upgrade now to a business account. And I'm gonna put my name, We Love Tamales, and continue. And now I've got a business account, and you can notice that this profile looks really different from all the other profiles. And it's gonna walk you through setting up your first pin, your boards, etc. What we wanna do is go ahead and edit our settings to put our URL, which should be We Love Tamales, and to do our About You section. Now, there is a character limit on the About You section, so once you have that filled out, it might give you a little notice that you put too many words, so you have to cut it down. Make sure that you use some keywords in here that people are going to search. I've got my website, so I'm gonna wanna claim that as my next step. But basically you are done. Click Save Settings, and now you have a Pinterest account. How cool is that? You'll wanna add your photo, etc., and get this all set up, and then you can start pinning. If you thought this was helpful, hit the share button and share it with a friend or tag them down in the comments. Also, I would love it if you subscribe to this video if you're watching it on YouTube, because you will get notified every time I post a new helpful tutorial video here at Smart Creative Social. Now, if you're looking for more Pinterest ideas, click on the video that's playing on the screen and it will take you to a playlist with lots and lots of other amazing Pinterest videos. And thanks for watching. Bye.